never know what to mean. It may be a parking lot, it may be Camelot, and all those webs of truth and doors of lies just shows us happiness in crying eyes, in crying eyes. Never know what to know, never know what to mean. It may be a sight unheard or sight unseen. It may be a parking lot, it may be Camelot. One backbeat, lemons fixated at their feet, and I smile. Never falls away, it sprawls the way the traffic moves. The turtle crawls, and bitumen paved up the walls for miles. And the pictures in my head, dreams of rest, a sleep and cheap regrets. What was seen yet to be said was never made, rose petal beds. And so that day will come, 24 hours to have my fun. Try to rise to the setting sun, the setting sun. Make us strong.